Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wix for your business website. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start configuring Wix for your business website, first, visit the Wix homepage. Click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to create an account if you haven't already. Enter your email and create a password to sign up. Once logged in, choose a template that best suits your business needs. You can browse through different categories to find one that resonates with your brand. After selecting a template, click on Edit Site to enter the Wix editor. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar on the left side of the screen. To customize your homepage, click on the text you wish to edit. Type in your business name and tagline directly on the page. You can adjust the font style, size, and color from the toolbar. Next, change the images by clicking on the image and selecting Change Image. Upload your own images or choose from Wix's extensive media library. To add new sections, click on the plus icon in the left toolbar. Select Add Section to choose from various layouts, such as services or testimonials. Once you've added a section, customize it with relevant content and images. To set up a contact form, click on Contact in the left toolbar. Select Forms and choose a contact form design that fits your layout. Drag it to your desired position on the page. Now, let's configure your business information. Click on Settings in the left toolbar. From here, select Site Information to enter your business name, address, and contact details. Next, adjust SEO settings to improve your website's visibility. In the Settings menu, click on SEO, Google, and fill in the required fields. This includes your site title, description, and keywords related to your business. It's now time to connect a domain name. Under the Settings menu, select Domains. Follow the prompts to either buy a new domain or connect an existing one. For e-commerce features, click on Store in the left toolbar. Here, you can set up products, manage orders, and configure payment options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.